Okay, now we have to practice here some numericals related to acceleration or change in velocities. First one is here, you have to write a motor car is traveling at a speed of 36 kilometer, means initial velocity 36 kilometer per hour. After 10 seconds, time is here 10 seconds, the velocity becomes 54 kilometer per hour. That is final velocity. After 10 seconds, the velocity becomes 54 kilometer per hour. Full stop. Assuming the velocity change took place at a uniform rate, then you have to find the acceleration. Is it clear? These are given terms in the question. First of all, the thing which you have to keep in mind, we have to make similarities in the units. See, the time is given here in seconds, but in case of velocities, time they have given in, ultimately velocity they have given kilometer per hour. So you have to change the kilometer into meter and time into second. So how you will write, how you will change this 36 kilometer per hour into meter per second? 36 into 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer, how many meters? 1000 meters. 1 hour in seconds. 1 hour 60 minutes. And 1 minute 60 seconds. Is it clear? Now six are 36. Is it clear? What you will get? 6 divided by 6, 10 meter per second. Similarly, you have to change 54 kilometer per hour into meter per second. 54 into 1000 upon 36 seconds. 2 5 ja 10, 2 18 ja 36, and 18 3 ja 54, then 15 meter per second. Is it clear? Or directly you may write like 36 into 5 by 18, because when you will solve this one, then you will get here 5 by 18, then directly you can solve like this. Okay, as we know, acceleration v minus u upon t. Now put the values here, you will get A is equal to V having value final velocity 15 meter per second minus 10 meter per second upon time is here 10 seconds. 5 meter per second upon 10 seconds. Then what you will get? You will get here acceleration 0.5 meter second square inverse. Therefore, acceleration having the value 0.5 meter second square inverse. Is it clear? Okay. Now next question is here. Right now a bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour. Bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. Clear? Then you have to find the acceleration. You have to find the acceleration. See, kilometer per hour you have to convert into seconds because time they have given in second. 5 by 18. Then you will write here if you will solve this one, 400 upon 18, you will get 22 point something. You are 22.2 meter per second. Similarly, 60 into 5 by 18. Then you will obtain here how much? 16.6 meter per second. 6 meter per second. Clear? Then you have to put the values here as we know. A is equal to V minus U upon T. Therefore, A is equal to V, final velocity 16.6 meter per second minus initial velocity upon time they have here 5 seconds. See, the final velocity having less value than that of initial velocity, then ultimately when you will solve this one, you will get values in minus, acceleration having negative value. That's why it is known as retardation. You will approximately you will get here the value of acceleration 1 point something. That is what retardation, because the velocity is going to be decreasing after applying the brake. Clear?